Alright, y'all, here is my first V12 I ever made, but I ran it and the connecting rod actually melted, and I'm thinking it's because of the PLA, and I guess it heated up a little too much and it melted the PLA, and I think it binded those two connecting rods with the second set right there. But I do have a video of it running. Luckily, I was recording. I just lubricated everything. You can see the oil all on the engine. This thing looks pretty cool. I didn't get to modify it yet. Nothing. Got a small flywheel from my V6. And did not add an exhaust port yet, but I'm gonna show y'all a video of it running. All right, we added more pressure.